Hi Bio! This video is going to show you how to make a wet mount slide of your own cheek cells. So you're going to start with the flat side of a microscope slide, and all you need to do is place 1 drop of water in the middle. Then you're going to use a clean toothpick to pick up cheek cells from your cheeks. You're going to rub the inside of the toothpick against the inside of your cheeks for about 10 to 20 seconds, and you want to twist the toothpick as you do it because that helps you to pick up any loose cheek cells. And then from there, you're going to twist the toothpick into the drop of water to transfer the cheek cells from the toothpick onto the slide. Here we go. All right, I rubbed it against the inside of my cheeks, and now I am rubbing the toothpick into the drop of water. I am transferring cells from the toothpick onto the slide. Now your cells are actually transparent, so it'd be really hard to see them under the microscope. So we're going to dye them with this stain called methylene blue. This stains your cells, and because your hands are made out of cells as well, that means you have to be careful not to stain your hands. So all you need is 1 drop, and then you're going to close this up. That way you don't accidentally spill. This is what it looks like. I'm now going to take my cover slip, and I'm going to place it right on top. Now to show you what this looks like. This looks very dark, and we can see that there's kind of like liquid that's spilling out the side. We don't want this to be too messy. So this is actually an interesting technique here. What we're going to do is we're going to add some more drops of water. You're going to add it just to the border. And then on the opposite side, you're going to use a paper towel to be able to clean up the excess fluid. I'm trying to give you a bird's eye view. And as the paper towel absorbs the water, it also picks up that extra stain. If you see my fingers being light blue tomorrow in class, you'll know why. Oops. So you want to pick it up from all different angles. The cover slip helps make sure that the cheek cells stay trapped underneath there. So you'll still be able to see them. Remember not to rub. Let me center this more. Remember not to rub because that can scratch the slides. All I'm doing is touching the paper towel to be able to dry up some of that excess water and excess stain. So now by the time you're done, you're going to see that this is much lighter. This is ready to put underneath the microscope so that you can examine your cheek cells underneath the microscope. Enjoy!